In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Duolingo Plus. Remember that Duolingo Plus is now called Super Duolingo, and it unlocks ad-free lessons, unlimited hearts, and extra practice features. First, open the Duolingo website. On a computer, type duolingo.com into your browser and press enter. On a tablet or phone, you can also open your browser and go to duolingo.com there. You should see the familiar green Duolingo homepage, with the owl logo and language options near the center. Once the website is open, you need to open your account. If you already have an account, look for the login option near the top right and sign in with your usual details. If you are not signed in, Duolingo will not know which account to upgrade. When you are logged in correctly, you should see your profile picture or your initials at the top of the page instead of the login button. Now click your profile to open your account. This usually opens a small menu under your name. From here, you can see options related to your profile and learning progress. Opening your account area, make sure the subscription is tied to the correct profile, including your current streak, courses, and saved progress. Next, click More and go to Settings. In the account menu, there will be an option labeled More, which opens a longer list of options. Choose Settings from that list. The Settings page will load, usually with several tabs like Account, Profile, or Notifications. This page controls how Duolingo behaves for your account, including language, privacy, and subscription options. From there, choose a subscription plan. On the Settings page, look for the section that mentions Super Duolingo or subscription plans. You will usually see options for a monthly plan or a yearly plan, sometimes with a free trial or a family plan. Take a moment to read what each plan includes and notice the price and billing period written under each one. When you click on a plan, it becomes highlighted and you are taken to a checkout-style screen that summarizes your choice. After selecting the plan, enter your payment details. On this screen, you will see fields for your card number, expiration date, and security code, or another payment method supported in your region. Type the details carefully, especially the card number and the date, because a single incorrect digit will cause the payment to fail. Most beginners forget to check the country or postal code, so verify those match your billing address before moving on. Finally, confirm your purchase. There will be a clear button to submit your payment and start Super Duolingo. Click it once and wait a few seconds. When it goes through, the page will refresh and you should see Super Duolingo branding, often with a new color theme and a confirmation message. Your account now shows as Super, and lessons will start running without ads right away. You have just upgraded your Duolingo account to Super Duolingo on the website. So if this walkthrough helped you get set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Duolingo tips.